made in our Father's garden, a gentleman been passing by. He stood a while and he gazed upon her and said, "Fair lady, will you marry me?" "Indeed, I'm no lady, but a poor girl, and a poor girl of a low degree. So now, young man, choose another sweetheart, for I'm not fit your mate to be. I have houses and I have lands, and I have money to set you free. I will make you a nice young lady, and you'll have servants to wait on thee." It's 7 years since I had a sweetheart, and 7 more since I didn't see, and 7 more I'll wait upon him, and if he's alive he'll come home to me. 'Tis 7 years since you had a sweetheart, and 7 more since you did him see, and 7 more you will wait upon him. Perhaps that young man you will never see. If he is sick, I wish him better. If he is dead, I wish him rest. If he's alive, he'll come home to me, for he's the young man that I love best. He took her up all in his arms, and gave her kisses most tenderly, saying, "I'm your true love, a single sailor that came from sea, love to wed with thee. If you're my true love, a single sailor, your face and features seem strange to me, but 7 years